Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can make money with LiveGood effortlessly. All right, so maybe you have just joined LiveGood, or maybe you are thinking about joining LiveGood and you're wondering like, yo, can I really make money with this? Or I don't really know how or have any methods to make money with this. Well, you are watching the right damn video. Now, real quick, if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, it is one of the most popular online business opportunities out there right now. People are joining this thing every single day. People are making money with this opportunity every single day. And I firmly believe if you are serious, you can be one of these people as well. But to be successful with LiveGood and pretty much any of these online business opportunities, you will need to promote. You need to get your opportunity in front of people, and you need to get them in front of a lot of people. So when it comes to LiveGood, here are two ways that you could effortlessly promote your LiveGood business. The first way is going to be using YouTube. All right, so it doesn't matter what your YouTube channel is about, you can promote your LiveGood business opportunity on it. And why you can promote it? Because LiveGood is one of those opportunities that can appeal to a lot of people. So it's not really like, you know, you have to have a certain channel, a certain topic, you know, in regards to YouTube, right? Because when it comes to LiveGood, you're promoting health and wellness, and you're promoting generating money, right? You're promoting wealth. So these topics appeal to a lot of people. So all you need to do once you get signed up with LiveGood, you're going to get your affiliate links in your back office. You mainly want to promote the link that says the LiveGood tour. All right. So once you get that affiliate link, you are then going to want to go and do what they call a domain transfer. Okay. So after you get your affiliate link, you are then going to want to buy a domain name. All right. Now you can buy a domain name from damn near anywhere. I usually buy mine from GoDaddy. All right. So you can go to GoDaddy.com and you want to think of a very simple, catchy domain name that's related to your LiveGood business. So for example, say you want to put, check out getlivegoodwealth.com. I don't even know if that's available. You can check it if you want. But say you buy the domain name getlivegoodwealth.com. All right. You buy it. It'll probably be anywhere from $2 to $12, right? You get this domain name. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is do what they call a domain forward. All this is you actually taking your LiveGood affiliate link, right? And you're pretty much connecting it to your new domain name. So when anybody types in, you know, getlivegoodwealth.com, or they click on the link getlivegoodwealth.com, it will be automatically taken to your LiveGood affiliate link. All right, it will be forwarded to your affiliate link. All right, so now you got your domain name, you got your affiliate link, you know, forwarded to it and everything. You got your YouTube channel, and it really doesn't matter what it's about. It could be about fishing, it could be about working out, it could be about celebrity gossip, whatever it is. All you want to do is make a short little ad, right? A video ad that you're going to put at the beginning, the middle, or the end of your videos. And if the videos are long enough, you actually could do it in all three spots. All right. So when someone clicks on your video, I'm talking about a 10 to 12 second promo talking about your opportunity, whether talk about, you know, the health and wellness products, or you want to talk about the actual business opportunity. Now, in my opinion, most likely you'll get more clicks, right? You know, when you talk about the business opportunity that LiveGood offers, but it's really up to you. So you created your little video ad, right? Got everything set up. You got your channel. So whenever you put out a new piece of content on YouTube, you want to make sure that you put your ad at the beginning, middle, or end of every video. This way, you don't even really got to worry about, you know, really promoting the business, because you're promoting it automatically on your YouTube channel, right? So you're promoting your business opportunity, and then you get straight into whatever the video is, whatever your YouTube channel is about, have at it, right? Do what you do. Now, another way that you could effortlessly promote your LiveGood business opportunity is by using QR codes. All right. Now I talk about this all the time because QR codes is so popular. They're everywhere. People are used to seeing them. People are used to scanning them and getting information. So here's the thing I just checked out. I Googled, is it possible to use QR codes on t-shirts? And the answer is yes. All right. So you can literally get some t-shirts made, come up with some cool ideas, some cool sayings, right? And then have a QR code. I will put the QR code on the back personally, but I've seen people that have them on the front of the shirt. But you could even do the front and the back, or maybe just the back, or whatever you want to do. But this way, make sure you have some sort of saying, right? You know, find out how to earn $3,000 to $5,000 a month, and then have the QR code right there, right? Think about it, right? So whenever you go somewhere, you know what I'm saying, throw on one of your shirts. If you go to a fair or something like that, an amusement park, the mall, anywhere that you got to stand in line, right? You could be making money, right? People literally could be scanning your shirt, going to your website. Damn, that's good, right? I think I'm gonna do that myself. All right, I'm about to order me some shirts myself. All right, so these are two easy ways that you could effortlessly promote your LiveGood business opportunity. Now, if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, there's no better time than to do it right now. Click on the first link of the description, take the LiveGood tour, and I will see you on the team. Oh yeah, because when it comes to LiveGood, I'm in go mode.